Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Shopify store in order to add another additional layer of security. So basically, two-factor authentication is an additional step in order to confirm your account. So once you enter your password, you'll be asked to enter like a security key, passcode, or something like that in order to access your account. And to do so, it's pretty easy. Simply go to your settings here from the menu on the left on your Shopify store, click on settings. And then you'll want to scroll down and click on your name with your email underneath, which will get you to your main account settings. From here, click on security. And here you can add a passkey, change your password, add a secondary email, or in this case, enable two-step authentication. So it's turned off by default. You can enable it here, turn on two-step. And here you would want to enter your password in order to confirm your account, and then next. And once you get here, you can get the option to choose another or an additional authentication method. So you can get an SMS delivery for a code if your account is verified. So I need to verify my email and add my phone number in order to get another code by email or a passcode by email. I can use the Authenticator app here to authenticate my identity. I can scan a QR code offered by Google Authenticator or Duo app. Or I can enter a confirmation code. So I can enter a code here, let's say for the sake of this video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this code will be asked for me to provide once I enter my password. So I'll sign in with my email and password. And once I add my password, I'll be asked to add this passcode in order to confirm my identity and access my account. And once you choose your preferred method here, simply click on turn on and the two steps authentication for sign in will be turned on.